It's me again, guys. Today is for our pregnant sisters. What are we talking about today? We are talking about food and fruits that you need to avoid in pregnancy. Okay, guys? If you see me for the first time, my name is Chidima. I'm a registered nurse. I live and practice in the United Kingdom. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, thank you for coming back, tuning into this beautiful channel. I don't take it for granted. If you're new to us, consider joining the family. Subscribe to the channel, because here we talk sexual health, reproductive health, wellness, and all the good topics that might interest you. It's going to be a very quick video. Without wasting time, let's dive right into it. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is I'm going to be starting with the fruits. So the first fruit on the list is going to be unripe papaya or unripe pawpaw. I don't know what you call it wherever you are, but I definitely know you know what I'm talking about. So it is not advisable for somebody who is pregnant to feed on unripe pawpaw or unripe papaya because it contains an enzyme known as papain, and this can trigger off miscarriage or throw you into a premature labor. All right. The second on the list is going to be what we all enjoy, which is pineapple. Yes, you are not advised to constantly feed on pineapples if you are pregnant or you've had past miscarriages. Please, you need to be careful with this fruit because it contains bromelain. And what bromelain does is almost the same thing with the papaya, because it's going to push you into having contractions that might result in miscarriage or even premature labor. So the third fruit on the list is the bitter lemon. We all know the lemon, and there's a type of lemon called bitter lemon. Guys, this very particular lemon, we need to be very careful with this lemon because it contains a substance known as vicin that can cause pain for the pregnant woman, headaches for the pregnant woman, and this pain and all of these things that it causes can lead to coma for a sensitive pregnant woman. So it also contains what we call morodine. It also contains glycoside. It contains quinine, and pregnant women are also advised to avoid all of these things because it can cause symptoms of poisoning. You know, when you go to hospital, you narrate your symptoms to your doctor, and the doctor is saying, it looks like you have food poisoning going on. Bitter lemon might just be that fruit you have taken that is responsible for all those feelings. Okay? So the next fruit on the list is logan. So this logan fruit is popularly seen in the Asian region. Africans might not know it. People in the European region may or may not know it, but you have to be careful with this fruit. It increases your body internal temperature, and in turn what it goes to do is increases your chance of constipation. Remember, when you are constipated as a pregnant woman, you tend to increase your risk of developing hemorrhoid. Okay, so you need to be careful with this fruit called logan, and also it can trigger miscarriage in early pregnancy, so you need to avoid this fruit completely. Please don't explore. I know that when we are pregnant, we tend to explore a lot of things. We want to take a lot of things. Oh, nice fruits, nice this, nice this, just because we want a healthy baby. But please don't explore with logan. Logan is not safe for a pregnant woman. Okay? So the next and the last fruit on this list for today is the lychee fruit. So lychee contains a lot of sugar, and if you are diabetic before pregnancy, it contains so much sugar that it's so hard for you to manage your sugar level in pregnancy. It's going to continuously increase your sugar level, and you know what diabetes can do in pregnancy. It's a lot of risk for the mother and the baby as well. So please avoid the lychee fruit. Okay, so let us now go to foods. For the food, the first thing I'm going to have on the list is a spice. Africans, this is for you. I don't know if the Asians use it. I'm not sure if the Europeans as well use it, but this is peculiar to Africa. You know, guys, the uziza seed, the uda, um, the ajumbise, that one is common for those in Nigeria, precisely Imo State people. So please, all those spices. You know what surprised me about these spices? I was reading about them and I found out that people have actually conducted researches on these things. And there is still ongoing researches. More scientists are searching about these African spices. I remember when I was pregnant with my first child, my mom was very particular about this uzuza, especially the uzuza. My mom was very particular about this spice, but I didn't know it was that serious until I read the research that said that rats that were fed with food containing this uzuza seed, they all did what? They all had issues with the babies they were carrying. Okay? Why the ones that were not fed with these things were sound? So please, if you are an African like myself and in your region you eat all of these things, please, if you're pregnant, don't. Those spices have been linked to causing miscarriage. Okay? Now let's go to the other foods. Those ones per se, nearly everything is healthy. Nearly every food is healthy to consume in pregnancy. But what I'm going to be saying is be cautious. I'm not going to tell you to avoid them. So one of them is meat and poultry. It's very good that we eat a lot of meat, protein content, all the poultry things, the eggs, the chicken, they are all good for us. But I want to make you, you know, trigger your mindset that you need to cook them properly. If you do not cook them properly, you can expose yourself to toxoplasmosis, listeria infection. Okay? Now, for those of them in the West, for those of us living in the West, if you're going to be eating cheese, they need to be properly cooked because you don't want to be getting yourself in trouble because of infection. All right, guys, this is just a quick video. I don't know if I've covered everything, but so far these are the ones that brought my attention. These are the ones that, hit my attention. So guys, go down the comment section. Feel free, to drop what you need to drop in the comment section, what you need to avoid in pregnancy, in your continent, in your country. What are those things that pregnant women are said not to eat because it is believed that they can cause miscarriages, it can cause child issues, some will even have, I know that some cultures have things that they believe that when you eat them is going to cause some malformation in your babies and all that. Drop them in the comment section, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. When you like this video, you're encouraging me to do more. When you comment, it means that you are engaging in what I am saying or you're finding value in what I'm doing. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.